Hey, it's on Locksmith here. All right, so we've got this Jeep. We're going to go ahead and open it up. We're going to, this method we're going to use here, we're going to actually grab the button grab tool. Right now I'm just going to use your one-handed jack. Well, probably one of my favorite tools. And I'm just going to use a regular old air wedge. I prefer the canvas bag ones or the nylon covered. I don't like the ones that you can get that are just rubber off eBay. Problem I've had with those is, one, they like to stick, and when they do that it causes issues. But to each their own. I do have some of the just plain rubber ones, and that's why I keep baby powder. That way I can help slide it through. Now I'm putting a slight bend in here, that way I can get the tool in. I don't use this tool that often, but it's always nice to have more than one way to get into the vehicle, because remember, we're doing this to get in and get out and go home. And you notice with this, the coating, but you guys ain't watching to see how to do this and me talk. So let's go ahead and get this knocked out real quick and open up. You got it lassoed. Take the tool out, deflate the bag. Always deflate the bag before you open it. And we're in. All right, hey, thanks for watching. And we're gonna have more videos like this. This vehicle here, fortunately, was left for us to do some other work. We cut a key, did programming to it. So in the description, I'll actually have down this method and what vehicles and year range it works for. But thanks again for watching, and I do apologize for the wind. Let's stay safe out there.